What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to fix this error which says Conda is not recognized as internal or external command. So what you really need to do is you need to go to the search and search for Anaconda. And you will see this Anaconda prompt. Right click, select run as administrator, click yes. And in here, you need to type in this command, which is where Anaconda. Hit enter and you'll get this path back. So what you need to do is you need to copy everything till here. Now you again need to go to search and search for environ, and you will see this edit the system environment variables. Click here, click on environment variables, go to path, click edit, click on new, and paste what you just copied from here. Now click OK, click OK, click OK. Let's close this window, close the terminal, and open it again. Now, when you say Conda, hit enter, you can see we get this response back. It no more says it's not recognized as an internal or external command. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.